Hey guys, welcome back. In this short video, we're going to give you overview about the user profile. Now, the user profile in Genesys Cloud CX, a user will have a profile that identifies them to the rest of the organization. Now, this profile shows user picture, contact information, relationship, location, groups, education, skills, and more. Now, you can access your user profile by going into your admin, directory, and profile. User with admin privilege can add, remove, and rearrange the sections or field within your user profile. So this is an example where you can see the sections, as you can see right here. And if you want to rearrange them, you can drag and drop, regroup them however you want to. You can add sections, you can add field. If you have a certain, let's say, some company may have a specific a code that they have for employee, maybe they want to add that to their profile, then you can do so by adding your own field, custom field for it. Now, once you create a profile section, they cannot be deleted. Make sure that changes to the profile configuration have approval from your organization. So if you add a sections, you want to make sure that you have the proper approval from your department or from your company to ensure that you are allowed to create that sections, because once it's created, you can't delete that. Now, you cannot delete a custom field once they're created as well. So you can only disable it so the user cannot see or use it with your at any time. Users with admin privilege can re-enable any disabled field at any time they want to. So for example, if for some reason I want to disable this field, I could do so. That way the users will not be able to use it. Now you can also access your profile from your contact card that appear anywhere in your profile picture. So when you click on the picture, you can easily access your contact details. When you're accessing your profile, you must be in an edit mode to add or update any informations. Now, by default, as you can see from here, is your view, the public profile. You can see your name, your pictures, any relationship with your co-workers, whether they are your managers or their peers. You'll see the skills group that you belong to, whether your skills and certifications are listed there or not, what group you belong to, official group as well as a social group, and any contact information and your location. So as you can see by looking at the profile, I can see that Joanne is located in, for example, Indianapolis, where Kathy might be located in London, UK. So this is the very detailed information that you will have available within your screen. All right, so user profile, every time you create a user, you will have a user profile, which should be filled with all the details about that user. This user does not necessarily mean will be an agent. It just simply means they are a user, or that can have a details profile in there, or they could just simply have a collaborate or communication device, such as SIP phone. But if you want to make them an agent, you can also make them an agent as well. All right, so that's it for this video in terms of what user profile basically contains, and I'll see you in the next video.